Welcome to our Google AdWords 102 tutorial. In Part 5, we'll discuss the advantages of using negative keywords. Now let's discuss negative keywords. In some instances, you may want to make use of negative keywords. As we explained in an earlier video, negative keywords are words or phrases you do not want to advertise on. Let me show you how this is done and give you some examples. We'll use the Antique Tables campaign in this instance. Importantly, you can set negative keywords at the campaign level and also at the ad group level. First of all, I'm going to do this at the ad group level, so I'm going to select the Antique Tables ad group, and to start adding negative keywords, click on Edit Keywords. Google gives you the text view of the keywords, and here you can see that I have 4 broad-matched keyword phrases and 3 phrase-matched keyword phrases. With negative keywords, let's say I don't want any visitors who are searching for free antique oak tables. Well, we might assume that's a fairly low percentage of people in any event. Let's say I don't have any interest in advertising to them. Even if they see my ad and click my ad, it's unlikely they're going to buy. And every single time my ad appears for people who don't click, it just makes my click-through rate go down when in fact I want it to go higher. Remember, the higher my percentage of clicks to my impressions, the higher my click-through rate, and the better it is for me because I'm paying less per click for more traffic. Basically, my point is that free is a pretty broad negative keyword. You rarely want to bid on free. So let's delete that and make it as it was before. To add free as a negative keyword, simply add an extra line in the text box and type in -free. It's that simple. You certainly can add multiple negative keywords if you wish. I'm going to save changes. And there we go. There's our negative keyword. You can also add negative keywords at the campaign level, as I mentioned. So let's go up a level. And at the campaign level, we see all our ad groups. Note that now we don't have any campaign negative keywords. If I choose to add negative keywords at the campaign level, you can choose which campaign you want. I'll stick with the one we've been working on, which is Antique Tables, and we can enter words manually in the text box. So we type in free, and add keywords, and it's done. Now this has had the same effect as adding that -free to every single ad group. Let's say, for example, you have 30 ad groups in a campaign. You can see that this feature will save you a lot of time. Another feature is Clean Sweep. Do your negative keywords appear in more than one ad group? Let's search to see. Clean Sweep didn't find any matching our specifications. However, for this example, let's go back to the Antique Tables campaign and then to the Secondhand Tables ad group. I'm going to add a negative keyword. Edit keywords, and add again a -free, save, and there it is. Now let's go back to the campaign level and try again. Here it says, one campaign level negative keyword. Click on Edit, and let's try to run Clean Sweep again. Now it shows keyword to be moved. Checked keywords will be deleted from ad groups and added to this campaign's negative keyword list. Recall that it already exists in this campaign's negative keyword list, but as this feature automatically moves negative keywords, to demonstrate this, let's go ahead and give it a try. The negative keyword is going to be moved. It appears in 2 of 2 ad groups. Save. And it's done. One ad group negative keyword successfully deleted from the respective ad groups. And now, here are the campaign level negative keywords. And you'll note that Google didn't add free a second time. Even though it moved it from the ad groups to the campaign level, it didn't add it again, which of course wouldn't have made any sense, and we still have our one negative keyword. Finally, to double-check this functionality, let's click here, and let's look at one of our ad groups to see if our ad group level negative keyword has been moved or deleted. And yes, it's gone, as you can see. So that's how you can work the negative keywords at both the ad group and campaign levels. Obviously, there are some benefits to using negative keywords, as our example of free demonstrates. You generally don't want to advertise a product to people who want it for free, but I've seen some sites that actually thrive on advertising to people who are searching for free stuff. That's certainly a minority of cases, but it does depend on what you want to achieve with your campaign. As you run your campaign and you're getting feedback on what keywords are working for you and exactly what people are searching for when they come to your site, you may well find that some searches aren't very useful for you. And those statistics that you'll develop over time will show you which keywords you really don't want to advertise on, and you can continue to build up your negative keyword list either at the ad group or at the campaign level.